Keystone shit. Yeah. Hey homie, you just gotta believe that you could be whatever you wanna be. You can see me. Don't no wonder how I got here. Hey yo, the diamonds and rings don't mean a lot of things. Hitting the blocking ranges, getting knocked for fame. Niggas that probably change, holding the mic to see yourself in the light. Grew up in the dark, this the type of shit you recite. My tongue is life, spit fire on the coldest night. One night I heard a homie tripe, give pipe to her, it's only right. And I bust off like a Tech 9, I'm offending her agenda. Young Jedi, skating around in Philly where it's real outside. Got hoes and best eye, heavy in the game, run shit like Soprano. Never live a moment with your eyes closed, cause if you know what I know, you be on the same shit. Cause time never waits for no man, so when I'm rolling, I'm thinking like an old man. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm feeling like it's straight to the top. Y'all drop, then your record's a flop. Money over bitches, niggas stick to the script. Hard to do the right things when you ain't got shit, so we stick to the pavement. Still on the same shit, just another day in the Keystone State. Money over bitches, niggas stick to the script. Hard to do the right things when you ain't got shit, so we stick to the pavement. Still on the same shit, just another day in the Keystone State. Hey yo, I get fast chips like it's the lottery. American terrorists bombing the economy. I got lost souls inside of me, big things ahead of me, longevity, and they trying to get the recipe. Foes can stand next to me but won't find it. Cover your eyelids, open your heart, life rewind it. Midnight designer, days get colder, nights get longer. God is my armor, I put in work so it can only make me stronger. I come alive in the night, I'm an alien. Smoke lie in the night, in the gravy am. Focused on getting nice and putting life in when I'm writing, so besides